Today we will see a reward program that not many people are talking about, and you get around $1,500 per month in this reward program, and this is the estimated one, so the real one might differ by a lot or by a little. We never know until this reward program actually starts. And this is actually Canton Rewards program where you can register on the early access as well, and it is in collaboration with a hardware wallet called Cypherock X1. So all the people or holders of Cypherock X1 wallet will be getting these rewards, and there are some other ways to get these rewards as well, like you can use Zoro wallet, and using Zoro wallet you would be increasing your activity on Canton Network. So it is all about promotion of the Canton Network. Like all the other airdrops, in this airdrop you will have to interact on the Canton Network, and Canton Network is the only public permissionless blockchain, and it is built for the institutional finance that provides privacy and scalability. So they claim to be only public blockchain, and they have a native token called Canton coin. So you would be getting Canton coins for using the Canton network, and the only way to use Canton network is through the wallet, which is the Cypherock X1 wallet or the Zoro wallet. But we will focus more on the X1 wallet since I have X1, and that's why I know about these rewards. Otherwise I would have never known about these reward system. And even if you have Cypherock X1, the basic one, you are still eligible for the rewards. But if you have the pro version of the Cypherock X1, you would be getting the multiplier of the rewards through the app is basically SciSync app, which is required for the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. There are three products of Cypherock X1: the basic one, the standard one, and the pro one. And if we go by the reward system, we are actually getting $1,500 per month. But if you purchase this Cypherock Pro, we are getting this for $249. So we would be able to cover the cost of our hardware wallet if we get this much amount of rewards. I don't know how true this is, but if this is true, then this is magical. This seems to be too good to be true. And you would be getting $1,500 by spending $249. So it is a no-brainer to get this Cypherock X1, but we never know how populated this reward system might get. If all the people out there get this Cypherock X1 and get into these rewards, then the rewards might decrease in future. But if I open up the app for you and check out the rewards, it is actually written as $2,500. So on the app of the Cypherock X1, it is showing $2,500, but on the website, it is showing $1,500, and that's a huge difference itself. But I recently got into the one of the activity on Canton Network, and I got $5 quite easily by doing some Twitter task like reposting or posting. So there might be more activities like that in future that would fetch you some amount of money. So you would be able to free up your hardware wallet. You would actually get it for free if you get these amount of the rewards. This is insane, and this is too good to be true. And I basically got Cypherock X1 for the security of my crypto asset and not for the rewards. Rewards are just the bonus for me. And when I got my hardware wallet, the reward system was not even there. So there might be more future rewards, we never know, and we can just wish for more rewards. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button to tell me that you actually like this video. You can also comment your doubts in the comment section below, and you can use my referral link to purchase Cypherock X1 and get additional 10% discount on it. And also, if you want to see the unboxing video, I recently uploaded that video as well on our channel itself. You can check that out, and I hope to see you again in the next video.